with us today. Before we begin, I would like to acknowledge that where we meet today has been the meeting place for the Ngunnawal and Ngambri peoples for thousands of years. I acknowledge the cultures of any Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander people present with us today. Thank you for taking the time to join us in the Christmas spirit here. May I present the Strange Weather Choir.
People